What's up everyone, my name is Jeff and today we are reviewing the Floppy Proppy from GemFan. You have to assemble them yourself. Yeah. So I'm gonna assemble one for you to show you how easy it is to assemble them, but if you mess up, you're probably done. You're probably messed up and you will have to buy some other, because I've seen some reviewers and once it's shut, I don't think it's coming out, but we'll see. Before you close the final piece, I recommend looking that all your blades have the same orientation, because you have clockwise and counterclockwise props, and this is a counterclockwise. And you notice there's a little R, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little R. And then once you're absolutely sure that everything is correct, let me see, R, yeah. You just sandwich them like that, and you got a floppy prop. Woo! There you go. Now you got the floppy proppies. We'll see how it flies. Apparently, well, I mean, the first thing you notice when you look at that is how your quad can now be super more portable. Look, before it couldn't fit, and now if I made some space, the whole quad could fit. You just bend those, and voila. People have said that they're more durable in a crash. Now, I don't plan on crashing today, but if it happens, we'll see what happens. I'm guessing when you hit something, they just fold back or something, but I'm wondering about the durability of the hub here. If the hub is as durable as like a normal prop. I guess we'll see. Or not, because I don't want to crash. So now that we have those installed, there's only one thing left to do. That's rip. All right, so let's try these floppy proppies and see how it flies. Try some basic stuff first. Oh yeah. Pretty good. Let me try some more. Oh yeah, it's responsive. Wow. I don't know if I'm less experienced than like normal people. I don't know, but I don't see any problem. Let's see if there's more prop wash or whatever. I don't see any prop wash. Wow, really impressed. It's over here. It feels amazing, to be honest. The props really feel amazing. I don't see any weird vibrations or prop wash. I was expecting a bit more prop wash than a normal prop, and there's not, so it's definitely a really good thing. And whatever maneuver you throw at them, it just responds. A little bit of prop wash there, but I mean, that was probably just my maneuver. I think those could be my new default props that I use. Yeah, daily driver. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah. If they're as durable, because I mean, I'm not gonna see it until I crash into something really, which I don't really want to do on purpose. If I was sponsored, I could break my. I mean, I'd ram it into a tree or something. that went better than I expected, to be honest. Yeah, I really like the floppy proppies now. If the durability is good, and I don't know, because the hub here, I'm still skeptical about, but if they hold, yeah, this could be my new daily drivers. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. Today we had a lot of fun reviewing the Floppy Proppy from GemFan. We flew near a pyramid, kind of. And if you like the content, well, just subscribe to me and I'll do more. Thank you very much. See ya.